Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start now. Rinse 1 cup quinoa under cold running water until the water runs clear. This removes bitter saponins. Once rinsed, measure 2 cups water for a 2-to-1 cooking ratio. Make sure your scale or cup is accurate. Add 1 teaspoon salt and 1 tablespoon oil or butter to the pot. This improves flavor and sheen. Heat over medium-high until the water approaches a simmer. Don't wait for a full boil before the next step. Once the pot is simmering, reduce heat to low so the quinoa cooks gently. Aggressive boiling breaks grains and wastes steam. Stir once to distribute evenly, then cover tightly to trap steam. This is where proper texture forms. Set a timer for 15 minutes and walk away. You want steam, not constant stirring. After 15 minutes, turn off heat and let the covered pot rest for 5 to 10 minutes so the grains finish steaming and separate beautifully. You finish by uncovering and fluffing quinoa with a fork, lifting and separating grains rather than stirring vigorously. This keeps it light. Taste and adjust seasoning, add more salt, a squeeze of lemon, fresh herbs, or 1 tablespoon oil for richness. To plate, transfer gently to a warm bowl so it stays fluffy. If it's soggy, don't panic. Uncover and return to low heat for a few minutes to evaporate excess water, or spread on a tray to cool fast.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.